I would like everyone to say hello to Ivy. We adopted her from South Carolina, and needless to say, she is struggling with our weather. She's underweight, and by the vet's orders, she needs to wear a jacket when she goes outside to keep herself warm. So today I'm going to make a very simple snood, I think that's how it's pronounced, to cover her ears so they don't get frostbite. I'm just going to use this fleece blanket I got on sale at Walmart for $1. Now it's going to stretch in one direction really good, but not really the other direction. So the direction it stretches, I'm going to make sure that goes around her head. Mark the length you need with a piece of chalk or a pen or a pencil or a crayon or something. I think mine was 14 inches and I made the length 16 inches, but this will vary depending on your dog. Remember to fold right sides together. Sew up one side. Make sure you're sewing up the side that doesn't stretch, or you won't be able to get it over their head. Backstitch at the beginning and the end. I'm not going to bother with anything else on that because it's already done. And when you're done sewing, turn them right side out. I made two, so I have one for the camp and one for the house. No matter where she is, she'll have her ears warm. The best way to get a dog to wear something when they're outside is to put it on directly before they leave the house, because then they can actually feel the difference. So we usually put this on her right before we take her outside, and she'll leave it on the entire time because her ears are warm. Okay, I hope that helped everybody who's got a little pity this winter, trying to keep them warm. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!